Temu Disney ring haul. I spent money on Temu for cheap rings so you don't have to.
Just a bit of texie dust.
Hey guys, it's another day and I've been shopping online. Temu has a bunch of really cute silvery rings that are, you know, like $1.99, $2.99, that kind of thing. So I bought them to see if they're even cute, and who knows how long they'll last. If you do buy anything on Temu, I would say keep it wrapped up in a tissue to keep it from turning, you know, put it away as soon as possible, that kind of thing. This one is a little Mickey Mouse on a chain link, and it is super freaking cute. That is super freaking cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's take this ring off. There it is. I think most of these are Mickey Mouse. And one stitch. So we'll do all the Mickeys and then we'll do the stitch. Ooh, it's a little Mickey made with rhinestones. Isn't that pretty? Here we are. Mickey, Mickey, Mickey. So, I have gotten these months ago. They stayed nice in their little bags. I don't know how nice they'll stay now. I think the chain link looks a lot nicer than the little rhinestone one. But I got a couple more Mickeys. Oh, it's the I ordered the rhinestones ring twice. I bet I ordered it for my mom and I to match. So, no need to show you the second rhinestone. It is the same as the first. Alrighty. So, we're down to our last Mickey ring. I had 3 different ones. And this is like a Mickey side face with a couple of bands across. Ooh, that was a little small. I'm gonna have to. These are all rings that you just size to your own finger. If you think about it before you put it on and don't get it stuck. There we go. I have big fingers from my grandma beers. And like I said, I just had to bend it up a little to make it fit my finger. And last, but certainly not least, my first Stitch ring. Which is fun, because we're going to have breakfast with Stitch and Lilo on our next trip. So, I will get to wear this ring. Oh, it's another extender. So cute. Got to get it big enough for my hand here. There we go. Oh, that's cute. It's his little head on top and a hand reaching around for the rest of it. So cute. I think the Stitch is my favorite. Love, love, love it. My love of cheap jewelry is why I invest in little jewelry trays. You know, I get them from Crazy Deals and don't cost that much for me. But when you have the little velvet jewelry trays, it will help keep your cheap Temu jewelry nicer longer. Well, I hope that helped you figure out if you ever want to order some little cheap jewelry off of Temu. Another little tidbit on the website, then if you go down to the comments, some of them will upload actual photos. I personally don't buy anything off of Temu if there's not a photo from a real customer. So that's my little tip. And honestly, I haven't bought off of Temu in a long time because I'm just trying to stop. You see how long it took me to open these rings up. So, girl doesn't need anything. The over-consumerism needs to stop. Speaking of, I've got some unboxing videos coming up.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!